Put a finger down if you bury dead insects and bugs. Put a finger down if you cry over little things. Put a finger down if you love listening to sad music. Put a finger down if you subscribed or liked the video. Put a finger down if you find it hard to let go of sentimental items. Put a finger down if you've ever cried over a character's death in a movie. Put a finger down if you've ever cried in front of the second person who pops up when you click share and then more. Put a finger down if you've ever felt left out in a group of friends. Put a finger down if you've ever felt sad after finishing a good movie. Put a finger down if you get attached to people easily. Comment